Now, even after 2 years of the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, China is still reeling under the negative impact of the pandemic. The worst COVID outbreak in Asia's largest economy in 2 years has brought sporadic lockdowns and factory closures. As a result, the factory and services sector have contracted together for the first time since 2020. Recent COVID-19 lockdowns in Shanghai have, in many places, troubled the auto production as two major suppliers joined Tesla in shutting plants to comply with the measures to control the spread of the virus. Some companies also saw cancellation or reduction of overseas orders due to global geopolitical uncertainties. The official Manufacturing Purchasing Managers Index fell to 49.5 from 50.2 in February, while the non-manufacturing PMI eased to 48.4 from 51.6 for the month of February. The weakening production and demand has sent factory jobs deeper into contraction, with the employment sub-index slipping to 40.6. Now, the world's second-largest economy revved up in the first 2 months of 2022, with some indicators blowing past expectations. But it is now at risk of slowing sharply as authorities have restricted production and mobility in many cities, including Shanghai and Shenzhen. Now, to cushion the impact of the new COVID-19 lockdowns, authorities have also unveiled steps to support businesses, including rent exemptions for small service sector firms. The central bank, which kept its benchmark interest rate for corporate and household lending unchanged in the month of March, is expected to cut rates and also to lower the reserve requirement for banks as downward economic pressure continues to build. The Chinese Premier Li Keqiang this month announced a slower economic growth to target almost about 5.5% growth this year, which some analysts have deemed to be way too ambitious, given the slump that's been witnessed in the property market, weak consumption and also fresh COVID-19 outbreaks. WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.